And away we go. I think we're going to Balibo. Peace. And we just had lunch down by the ocean. We're going to head through to Balibo. Learn about the Balibo 5. Timor has a sensational coast road. This is sick. Got a little 150 top gear, little goats hanging out. It's sensational. Me and my Aussie sensibilities is going to stay out wide. I must say, this coast road is fantastic. Clear some of this rock out, clear it off. So good. Oh, it's so good. It just keeps going. So we've been riding for like an hour and a bit, still on the coast road. It's sensational. Get those few dips where the road sinking, that little scouty. How good is it? So nice. We went from a really nice coast road, which I got a feeling was like the highway, to this thing. So the idea is, I think everyone knows about being overseas. For Australia, you go to Asian countries and you beep a lot. Well, they beep a lot. We're just kind of letting anyone know when we go around the turn where we're at. I'll tell you what, it kind of works. Got a NAS up in front of me. So keep your eye on this one, it's pretty rough. The suspension of this bike ain't the greatest. Little baby, a single man. He's motoring as well.
You riding?
Yeah. Doing our final little push down to Maliana. Get to the hotel, crack up beer. Butts are getting a little bit sore. But been a big day on the bike. Fantastic windy road. I love these windy roads. So good. They just keep going for days. Hey. And on the outside. Tuck up the end. Yeah. In the bridge of there. Yeah, like rice paddies. Yeah. I forgot how big the mountains are over here, like they're massive. Look at them. Well, I think it's beer o'clock. Got through all these paddies. Sun's getting awfully low, and I'm pretty sure it's nearly 6. It's past 5. Time for a beer. Rolling into the hotel. Cerveja? Batare. Oh yeah.
Well done, everybody.
Oh. No crashes. Cervejas? Beer boy. Clamping. Bar set up. Oh, the big bang. Kicking in Maliana.